Hey, so my dad's coming over tonight and I'm going to make him dinner. And our vacuum cleaner, this guy right here, is broken. At least that part, the belt, it apparently isn't working. So I have this. That's all I have to vacuum an entire living room with. And I could probably just leave it and it would be fine, except for I'm afraid that might start the conversation of my dad walking in and seeing my floor and being all, reminds me of when you were a little girl. You haven't changed at all. Even though my dad's pretty cool and probably would never say that. But, I would like to avoid the awkward, you can't talk to me like that. I'm a woman now. I cook and clean and treat my husband right. So I am going to crawl around with this guy and try and clean up this floor. And I figured I'd show you that awkward process. So enjoy. I will now show you the finished product versus the rest of the floor, so you can see that this is better-ish. So, hey, that's what I vacuumed. I didn't get that spot. I don't know if you can see all the cat hair. Or if you look over there, there's a lot of cat hair and cats. So, yep, this is my day today. That's it.